Alright, next item is Form 5498. This pertains to IRA contribution. So, normally, what you'll think of if we're not sure where to fill out the form, you will go into this tab, where do I enter? Okay, so you might think of going to 5498 because you saw in the form 5498, but that's not the case for this one. So, you have to go to either ChatGPT or Perplexity, and this is what I have researched. It says here, if you have received 5498, do not enter form 5498. Instead, use form 1099-R. So what's the concept for rollover contribution? So rollover contributions on IRS form 5498, it refers to funds transferred from one retirement account into another individual retirement account. So this is more of getting the money from this account to not just transfer to another account. So this is more of a rollover. So in this case, what you need to do is go to they call this, go to where do I enter, and then put the 99R. So you'll be able to find it here. So go to the worksheet and then put the name, like this is a dummy account also, Fidelity, and then let's just check applicable box, put the 99R. Let's put a dummy federal ID. This is alright, and then a dummy address, hello world. So we could put there hello world, and then hello city, the usual. So let's just copy it later, just look for it later. And then this is for the husband, so just put here whatever is in the amount of the husband, 23640. And then in the distribution code, because it's in red, you have to look for letter G, direct rollover or rollover contribution. You can find it here, rollover contribution. Okay, so we'll just look for later for the zip code. Now if we're going to enter another one, click this one, quick zoom, another Fidelity 8, and then similar to this is just a dummy. I don't know, it will, I'm just putting random numbers, and then 1099R, hello world, hello city. We'll just fill out later that one. And then similar, this is for the wife, we just copy this one, 251 722.85, and then once we click that, this will again show up. So letter G, direct rollover. Alright, so basically the error that we have here is just the zip code. Let's save this amount, 251, and how much is that one, the other one, 251 and 23,274. So let's see if it will go here, 275 here. So this is non-taxable. If it's a rollover, it's non-taxable. Alright, so alright, see you in my next video.